Hi guys, this is me, Nani, and there's an update. This is part 3. Look, it's black, but I just equipped the 200. Huh? I just equipped the 200. I don't even have the 100, and the green means I have it. It's kind of a glitch, but I like it. Let's just keep it. Oh my god, we can make money. Money. We are gonna get much bigger than normal. We're conquering the ship. The ship is almost in us. But everything has to be 70. Level 70. Okay, check the nuts up there. Oh my god, hamster speed needs to upgrade. Bam. Perfect. Alright. Wait! That's all the money! Like everything for surprises. I don't know why it came to add, but it's fine. Let's just put all of my hands into it to make a lot of money. I just put every single hand that I have. And we're back to 2 heads. This tornado looks crazy. Look at the tornado destruction. Destruction is going on with everything. Oh my god! The ship, all the ship that you saw here is gone. It's not part of us. Increase percent. Ayo, everything is coming. Combine. Let's see what we got. The red one. One. Makes one. Make everything. Two red ones. Got the orange ones. Be the destructs. And combine. We have the yellow one. And just have 2. And mix it in one. That we got everything. Okay. 6.5. Oh. Yeah, that. God. No more. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, she. I'm saying S-H-E. Oh my god, there's a surprise. Where's it? That's the surprise, the rainbow thing. That's a surprise. Look at I cannot see this go. Okay, I got it. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And